A phone line, a computer equipped with a webcam, a high-speed internet connection. You are now ready for Visio Formation.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
No more lost travel time. In just a few seconds, you are already in front of your teacher or coach for a 30-minute to 1-hour lesson. All of this is part of your personalized curriculum and is 100% efficient. Whatever your training program, the method you've chosen, your start level, and wherever you are, Visio Formation puts you in the best conditions for quick progression by optimizing the time that you want to devote to your training.
So you can
You listen, answer, ask questions, and participate as easily as if you were in a classroom. Thanks to quick and easy-to-use tools, you take control of the on-screen applications and participate in role plays. You can share any document and use it as lesson material so that you can stay as close to your objectives as possible.
I have a presentation tomorrow for a meeting and I would like to work on my documents if it is possible.
Visio Formation also maintains the advantages and efficiency of traditional training. After your lesson has finished, you receive your work documents, grammar rules, vocabulary lists, and practice exercises by email. Thanks to the online automated planning website, in a few clicks, you can plan and modify your scheduled lessons by yourself, according to your availability. Your attendance sheets are automatically generated when you connect and can be consulted by your training manager using his client services access. In this way, each session is legally registered in your company's training plan.